Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an Agile coach and a Scrum Master. In this video I will share a liberating structure called Integrated Autonomy. And this is one of those that can maybe be a bit difficult at first, and it's often something that can actually give you some quite valuable insights. This integrated autonomy structure is often a structure that you use in a string after, for instance, wicked questions. And it doesn't need to, but often that is the case. So I'll just write it like this. So it often follows wicked questions because we need some kind of invitation, some kind of problem that is either or. And in this integrated autonomy, we want to see if we can make it both instead of either or. So we need some kind of prompt that is, how can it be that we are both trying to standardize our way of working while at the same time maintaining team autonomy? I guess that's something that relates to quite a lot of us, right? So what you do then is you have, I'll just do something like this. You have the two sides, so you have the left side that could, for instance, how is it that we can standardize things, and then we have the right side that could be how is it that we keep team autonomy. Then ask people to individually and in silence make a list of things that would first help this side, and then this side, and then in groups around 4-ish people to aggregate to collect the lists on these left and right side actions. And then in the middle, first individually and then in silence. So do we have some actions that can cater for both sides? And when we have collected this, again, so each of this, so that's probably 5 minutes, first individual 1 minute, and then in group 5 minutes and 5 minutes. Then we go, is there in one way or another, can we do something creative to take some of these solutions and bring it into the left side? And can we do something with some of these to bring it from the right side into both? And then we need to figure out and prioritize these. So which of these do we believe most in? And then probably do some kind of making solutions around that afterwards. So it's often followed by 15% solutions. Because then we have some ideas on how can we do both things. Whoa, that was a wrong that was the T. Solutions, sorry. So if we have this question right, then we now have generated some things that will both help the left side and the right side, and then we can follow up with 15% solutions to try and then make this happen. And different ways of facilitating this exist. If you go by the official definition, there are more steps. If you go by some articles you find, they will have different steps, but this is how I usually do it. I'm hoping that you will share how do you facilitate this integrated autonomy with the left, right, and both sides. And if you have any good riffs, please share. That would be super awesome. And that's it. As always, comments, questions, ideas, and feedback is more than welcome. And then have a super awesome day.